Hi there, students. Surreal. Okay, surreal is an adjective. It means that something has a dreamlike quality. It's like an imaginary fantasy, the type of hallucination you have while you're asleep. A situation with incongruous contrasts or juxtapositions. A situation that's bizarre, weird, strange, unnervingly illogical or crazy. So the situation was surreal. It was actually happening to me, but it seemed like it was a dream. The police and the drug dealers taking drugs together. It was a surreal situation. Okay, a surreal experience. So an experience, it might be a real experience, but it's almost like you're in a dream. Sometimes if you look at the sun setting, the colours in the sky are surreal. If you took a photo, somebody might say, no, this is a painting. It's not a real sky. Surreal. Okay, so surreal, something that could be real, but it feels like a dream. Notice you have the artistic movement Surrealism, which started in 1917, and the paintings of Salvador Dali and Pablo Picasso and Frida Kahlo as well, these are surreal or surrealism. That everything is distorted in strange shapes. They're not real worlds. Okay, the pictures that you see or that they paint, they can't be real. Yeah, and that is surrealism. Okay, so surreal, you use that as an adjective to describe a situation or something you see, to say that it felt like it was a dream. Yeah, it didn't feel absolutely real. Okay, what about the origin of this? This comes from French, surrealism. Sur, S-U-R, meaning beyond, and réalisme, realism. So beyond realism. Okay, there are elements that are real, but there are clearly other things that are not. Okay, so surreal, a bizarre picture, a weird circumstance, something that is strange. Maybe you have opposites touching. And this is the idea of surreal. So, surreal, something with a dreamlike quality. It's as if something comes from a world that is not real. Strange contrast between different things, something that can't really exist. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Surreal.